Hi, my name is Christy Berry. I'm showing today the protocol for the immune boosting in auriculotherapy. First, I want to thank Terry Olson with the Auriculotherapy Certification Institute and Adrian Larson with Meridia Technology for helping pull this together. And so let's get started. This is a basic protocol using auriculotherapy. I'm going to teach you how to use the beads to apply this protocol at home. At the end of the video, I'll also show you how to access the beads along with some of the other things that we're using today for the immune boosting protocol. The first treatment that we're going to do, I'm going to have you tip your head just a little, is going to be a point called the Shenmen. The Shenmen point is in this indentation, on the outside edge of that indentation, and you'll use a pair of tweezers, the beads, and you'll just make sure you clean the ear with some alcohol before applying the beads. It'll make the beads last longer. The second point that we're going to do is called the thymus. The thymus point is a point that the thymus gland is the gland that helps to boost your immune system. It actually creates the white cells, the hormones to produce the white blood cells. And you can see here, it's on the back of the ear. It's not on the inside of the ear, but on the back of the ear here. The third point that we're going to do today is the 0 point. The 0 point, if you take your tweezers and go this direction, you'll come to a place where on this ridge in the ear that kind of stops. Just above that is where we're going to place the 0 point bead. The fourth point that we're going to treat is called the spleen. The spleen, of course, helps to filter the spleen helps to filter the lymph system, which is an important part of our immune system. It also boosts the immune system. And you can see, if you see the little ridge coming down like this, just below the ridge is where, at the back wall, is where we put that point for the spleen. The next point that we're going to do is the lung point, but you'll notice on your chart that the lung has 2 points. What we want to do is we want to take our tweezer and close it so that it's just, you can see this isn't sharp, it's just closed up, round point, and we're going to test the 2 points. The first point we're going to test is the lung 1 point. We're just going to push right in the middle of the ear and ask, is that tender? Yes or no? Just say yes or no.
No.
No. We're going to go just a little bit below that and a little toward the front. Is that tender?
Yes.
Yes. That tender point is the point we want to treat. So we'll put our bead on that point there. And then the last point we're going to treat is called an interferon point. It's a functional point, and it helps with building the immune system as well. There are a couple of other points on your chart. The omega-3, if you're having inflammatory response or issues in your limbs, it'll help with that as well. I would suggest not putting all of the points on the ear unless there is a specific need. If a person is achy or hurting in the limbs, you might want to use the omega-2 point as well. There's also a vitality point, which is located just below the interferon point, a little bit forward of that, that you can also use if you're just feeling kind of lethargic and want to boost your vitality. So there's one other thing that I would like to recommend. This is based on science regarding color. There is a pair of green glasses, and I'll give you that link at the end of the video, that you can use to wear, and the green glasses go through the retina. The light goes through the green glasses into the retina. It sends a signal up to the pineal gland. One of the things that we found that the reason that most little children are not getting the virus is because they have higher levels of melatonin in their body. With the green glasses send the signal to the pineal gland to help produce melatonin, which will actually increase your immune system. I want to give some thanks to Dr. Daniel Aziz in Argentina for giving us the knowledge that the glasses help, as well as Dr. Raphael Noget, that the green color helps to boost our immune system. And that's all for today. If you want, we're going to try to put together some more videos to help out in the future. Thank you very much.